Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you an interesting vulnerability that allowed me to edit other users' profile data, including their business and bank details. Let me show you how I did it. Also, if you haven't liked the video yet, please do. This is a very serious vulnerability. Your support motivates me to share more interesting findings like this.
So this is my account number 1. Now let's change anything and intercept the request using Burp Suite. Now open your Burp Suite and find this request and send it to Repeater tab. Now go to your second account, and here, open the Network tab. Now update your profile to find this request. Copy this user ID value. Then go to Burp Suite and use this user ID value and fill other details. Now send the request and go to your second account. You'll see that the profile has been updated. Why this happened? Because the server didn't verify if the user ID belongs to the user or not, which allows the attacker to modify the details of any users. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the like button. See you in next video.